Hey guys, I'm Janna. I'm one of the designers from EDGEhomes, and today I'm here staging our parade home. I'm super excited about the parade and the furniture that's going in here. I really wanted the space to be sophisticated with a classic feel, but still be welcoming and inviting. And I did that by using a lot of warm color tones and layering pattern and texture. And one of my favorite places in the whole home is this great room, mainly because of the black cabinets on either side of the fireplace. I love the arch on them, I love the black metal, and they really complement the black metal railing that we used on the stairway trim. Another thing I love about this home is that we put in a new mantle on the fireplace. It's a brand new style, it's super sleek and simple, and it just lets the fireplace do all the talking. It's a great focal point in the room. When selecting everything for the great room, I started with the rug, which is what I typically do, and this rug is one of my very favorite rugs that I've ever selected for a home. It has the perfect colors, the perfect texture in it, and after that I just started choosing different furniture pieces. I love the two-tone furniture in here with the gray sofa and the white sofa, and then I love the wood tones in the coffee table and the chairs. And then after that I pulled color tones from the rug to choose the pillow colors and the accessory colors in the room. We are so excited about our parade home this year, and we cannot wait for you guys to come see it in person. Be sure to check out the EDGEhomes Parade starting July 23rd.